Hey guys, so just excuse me, I've just been having some Pringles. Um yeah, so what we're kind of looking at over here, let's doodle because I like doodling. So what we've got here is a push on the monthly and another push on the monthly, but we've got divergence, but it's only divergence until it's not divergence because this could find support here and go higher and then wherever we get to over here and wherever we pull back to, we're going to get back to those highs again, because of the way the indicator basically works. So let's get rid of those doodles. So at the moment, we are turning into a bit of a sell on the monthly, but that's only because of where price is right now. If we start finding support, oh, hello. If we start finding support, we could push from here. So if we extend the previous Grail, if we extend that, it's like we've gone above it, pulled back to it, and now it's like warring with that. Now, normally I'd expect price to come back to the average, but it doesn't have to in a bull market. Until we've like got, until price, until we print some candles to around the sweet zone. So this candle, this candle, this candle, then we would get an idea of where the average is of like the Grail. So basically, if price goes like this and like this and like this purple, these purple lines will be pulled up until we roughly get to around this zone here, which is around the 18th of the month normally. Um, for the monthly, it's around the 18th of the month. So I'll show you that in a second. So what we've got is, what I want everyone to remember right now is we've got this over here, which is kind of strength because we're above the zero line and we're quite a bit away from the zero line. So I'm not too worried about what's going on. But the thing is, whenever I know the strength, so this is the monthly relative price. Whenever I know I've got a strength on the monthly relative price, I know when it comes to the bottom bands of the monthly that you're generally good for a buy. So let's shift this one over. So what we have had is like looking over here. We've still got this strength over here. And if we translate that to around here, we've still got the peak of the strength around there. So, it's just being bought up, comes back to the average, but then it pulls back. And this is an aggressive sell-off. But then we're in this value zone. So if the monthly is still strong over here, I'm saying, hey, this is a value zone and you could have, let's just get an idea of some percent. So even if you got in around there and did that, it's still 5%. And then another one, 5%. This one carried on. So then now we've come back down here to the value zone again. We're not looking amazing on the 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, but still the 4 hours just started turning into a buy. So now what we need to do is watch what time that prints, 13, the next one, 5 o'clock. So in 6 minutes, if this prints bullish, I'm pretty happy to say that we should be going back to 97,000. And then where's 97,000? That's 96, 97. Then we've got this resistance here on the 30-day moving average on the daily chart. So for me, yeah, this could end up being a bottom. Because of this, we've still got this strength over here, but we just have to see what happens here. This was a good push. This was a good push. If we turn into a buy here, it could be a true wave. It's what I call a true wave. So that's something for us to bear in mind. The 1 hour is looking good. The 4 hours too far away from the zero line for me, but we've got 5 minutes until this 4 hour candle closes. And then we should have a good idea if we're going to have a little bounce or not. So yeah, anyway, guys, I'll release this for you now. Just a quick update on Bitcoin. Trade safe, keep safe.